We at Suntrack Energy Systems Private Limited are pioneers in the design and manufacture of tunnel dryers, dehumidifiers, as well as solid fuel fired, direct and indirect hot air generators. Our fully automated dehumidifier is a uniquely designed system suitable for humidity and temperature control in any warehouse, packing section or process, as well as for low temperature dehydration. Let us now look at the working of our dehumidifier in more detail. Ambient air from the atmosphere, after being filtered through suitable filters, is passed into the evaporator coil by the process air fan or PA fan. The air upon entering the refrigerant-filled evaporator coil is chilled and results in the condensation of water vapor, thereby partially removing water from the air. Condensed water falls into the water tray and can be utilized for domestic purposes. Saturated air from the evaporator then passes into the silica gel-based desiccant rotor for further dehumidification. The desiccant rotor is a uniquely designed silica gel-coated honeycombed structure which rotates unidirectionally at desired speed. The partition made in the desiccant rotor box as well as rotation of the desiccant rotor enables it to absorb the water from incoming process air on one side while at the same time discharging water or getting reactivated through incoming hot air from the reactivation stream on the other side of the partition. This dehumidified air out of the desiccant rotor is at the required set RH and temperature and is sent to the intended process. During the reactivation cycle, filtered air from the ambient is drawn by the reactivation blower or RA blower and passes through the condenser unit of the refrigeration cycle, getting heated up indirectly by the hot refrigerant gas from the compressor. Here, the refrigerant gas gets cooled down while the reactivation air gets heated up to its desired temperature. This hot air is then directed into the reactivation partition of desiccant rotor for removal of the absorbed water or reactivation, thereby facilitating it for further water absorption. Moisture-laden air from the desiccant rotor is typically exhausted out of the system. Multiple auto-control dampers, sensors and controllers are provided in the system to control the RH, airflow as well as other parameters ensuring desired, consistent system outlet regardless of external climate conditions. The entire system is controlled through PLC-based sophisticated control panel with inbuilt safety features and fault diagnostic displays. Variable frequency drives or VFDs offer fine controlling and power saving in PA fan, RA fan as well as for the desiccant rotor speed control and for compressor safety. Wi-Fi enabled HMI ensures ease of operation, data logging of operating parameters as well as allows for remote monitoring cum operation of the system. Absence of electrical heater in the Suntrack dehumidifier ensures 40 to 60% reduction in operating cost compared to traditional dehumidifier systems. With exceptionally low operating cost and consistent all-weather output, Suntrack dehumidifiers redefine dehumidification as we know today. Let us now look at a small video of one of our installations.